So, hi everyone. My name is Hadiza. I'm very shy camera. So I just decided to do this getting the assignment on 4.1 creating or building my own local application using AI, right? So first, I would begin with I'm going to showcase the functionalities that I use to build um, that I build using AI artificial intelligence in Python. So what is like to market it, right? So yeah, to showcase it, to show what I did. So doing this, I believe that with that being said, from implementing bigger or various capabilities to the fundamental data to kind of like complex deep learning, like to show my audience what I have built in using AI in Python. So the first thing I would like to talk about is data processing. This is when my application using AI in Python, it's like kind of like the data processing is kind of like when it's handling or cleansing or cleaning and manipulating a bigger data set, right? Like let's say there's bigger data set, so this would the data processor would allow it to and clean it and kind of like in a manipulative way. So Python kind of helped me. The artificial intelligence helped me uh, use two essential libraries, which are in my application. So there's something I can call NumPy, NUMP, I think PY. So this helps the users like kind of like provide a powerful n dimensional like object, right? So let's say mathematics operation uh, to work with a lot of numbers data very efficiently. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about on the I think the data processing is the pandas, PANDAS, which this help the users kind of like it offers I think high level, or let me say easy to use the data structures. So what I have built, any user can the pandas would help him use the data efficiently. So in most cases, the data frame, which is kind of like ideal for data analysis, and it kind of like prepare users on how to use it. So after data processing, this is all part of me showcasing what I have built in AI with the Python. So the second one that I'm going to talk about is the predictive modeling. This is kind of like um, to learn the library in the like in a very good way, like standard way for traditional machine learning. Any task you want to do is kind of like what show you how to do it like traditionally, not too hard, and it helps with a very wide range of functionalities like the classification, the regression, and I think the clustering. I'm gonna begin with the clustering, which this helps to group similar objects together, right? And then it's kind of like very useful for customers to use. I think the regression is the one that helps create models to kind of like able to say or to predict a continuous value, like house prices, cars prices, and so on and so forth. So the other one is classification. The classification is the one that build models to categorize data, like spam detection and stuff like that. The last one I'm going to talk about is the data visualization. So to showcase this good, though I'm not, I mean, I should have showed my work, but showing my work is not part of the requirement. So the data visualization is kind of like a tool like Matplotlib, that's kind of like it can be used to create charts like history, like histograms, like a scatter plots, to kind of like provide, I think, a very like to provide any visual feedback from understanding data and models performance. So I think that's all I have on to showcase my functionalities on how I use to build my functionality is to build in using AI in the Python. So that's all I have. That's all information I have now.